Hello everyone, welcome back. Boys and girls, we have here two puzzles left. One of them is a binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 28th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have a tectonic left and a binary. Yes, it's binary time. This will be number 5247. 5247 already. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. The box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8, a binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no there no. Double one, here no there no. Double one, here no there no. Between two, double one, here no there no. Double one, here no there no. Double O, here one there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no there no. Between two O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here we have 4 O's in the first row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Well. And now. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Double one. Oh, overlook this double one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones, without comparing in 3 minutes. Wow. And I like this one. Yes, in the flow. Do you like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other last puzzle, tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.